Bamboo recently rolled out an app called Coins by Bamboo, and it's currently out there for download. And I don't see a lot of creators, also Bamboo users talking about it. And I thought to just make a video about it, tell you what it's about, what I also think about it, and just how it works basically. But before I get started, I would like to say a huge congratulations to the Bamboo team for celebrating 5 years. I remember using the platform for the first time from the COVID period, and that was the first time I bought my first stock. I would also like to mention now that for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, if you don't know what Bamboo is this really, really amazing app that you can use to buy stocks. You can use to buy US stocks. You can also, recently, they added a feature or an option for you to buy Nigerian stocks. Right, there are also a bunch of other things you can do on the platform. It's an app that you use for investing. You can use it to pretty much save in dollars. You can use it to buy stocks as well. I've been using it. Some of you would ask me, is Bamboo legit? Yes, it is legit. I've been using Bamboo since the COVID period. When you're signing up, they might ask for your BVN. It's fine. You can leave your BVN. That's okay. That's basically what Bamboo is. Recently, they rolled out a new app called Coins by Bamboo. And what it does is it lets you send money from Canada to Nigeria. I think it's a really, really great idea. We need more of those apps anyway. It'd be nice to send money from other countries to Nigeria and from Nigeria to other countries. This new app, Coins by Bamboo, lets you send money from Canada to Nigeria. So if you know a family member that is in Canada, just tell them to install the Coins app and go ahead and send money to you from Canada to Nigeria. I haven't used the app myself because I still have some reservations, but I'm going to test it and maybe give feedback at some point, but I haven't used it yet. One of the reservations I had when I first heard about the app is the fact that it's separate from the Bamboo app, right? They have a Bamboo app, and then they have this other app called Coins by Bamboo, which I was really hoping that everything was going to be there on the Bamboo app, right? If you want to send money, just do any other thing, you'll have to do it on the Bamboo app, but it was separate, and I'm still wondering why it's separate. Maybe they wanted to maybe create something separate that would require them to operate as a separate entity. I don't even know. I don't even want to assume, right? Another thing I also noticed about the app is that you can actually not send money from Nigeria to Canada. You can only send money from Canada to Nigeria. If anyone is signing up right now, they need to provide a Canadian phone number. That's also one of the ways you would know that it's only people in Canada that can use it, not people in Nigeria. I mean, you can install the app if you're in Nigeria, but it's your aunt or your uncle or your friend in Canada that would mostly need it to send you money to maybe your bank account in Nigeria. You don't really need to install it for anything, because if you're signing up, it will ask you for a Canadian phone number. Anyway, it's an app for people that are in Canada. They want to send money to you in Nigeria. When they were teasing the app from April of this year, I was hoping that it was going to be one app, in a sense that it would just be the Bamboo app and you'd be able to use the coins feature. I also assumed that the coins feature was going to be like a reward system where you buy stocks or you do other things on the platform and then you get rewarded with coins. That was my assumption, but that's actually not what it is. It's actually for people in Canada to send money to Nigeria. So it's not really for Nigerians, but for people in Canada who want to send money to Nigeria. That's basically what it is. I'm still trying to wrap my head around what they are trying to achieve with this, because right now it's just to send money from Canada to Nigeria, and it's just Canada. There are no other countries, and that's what Coins by Bamboo is. And I want to know what you guys think. What do you think about the app? Do you think you should have just done everything on one app because we already have a Bamboo app? Do you think it still has other potential? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you guys. Bye.